Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start with simultaneous linear equation. In this, firstly we have to know what is linear equation general form. So what is the linear equation of the general form? Is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Two linear equations we have taken. These two equations contain same two variables x and y in this case. So together such equations are called as simultaneous linear equations. So there are different methods. We have taken here three methods. All the three methods I have explained here. So please be attentive and don't skip in between. Listen carefully, step by step. Easily I have explained here. So methods of solving simultaneous equations. There are three methods. First one is method of elimination by substitution. Secondly, method of elimination by equating coefficients. Thirdly, method of cross multiplication. We will see one by one now. Firstly, method of elimination by substitution. So here I have taken here this two linear equation x plus y is equal to 7, 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. These are the simultaneous equation. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. So here we have to solve by substitution method. So what we have to do? Any one of the equations we have to select and any one of the variables we have to take to the, we have to keep it in the LHS and the other one we have to shift to RHS. Value we will substitute this in the second equation. 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. So 3x minus 2 into, in the place of y we will substitute this 7 minus x is equal to 11. That is 3x minus 2 sevens are 14. Minus into minus is plus. 2x is equal to 11. So we will get here 3x plus 2x is 5x and then minus 14 I have shifted here to the RHS side and it becomes plus 14. So 5x is equal to, we will get 25. So x is equal to 25 by 5, which is nothing but 5. So the value of x we got, x is equal to 5. Now we got the x value, we have to find the y value, right? So take any one of the equation and substitute the value of x in that equation. So I am taking this first equation, x plus y is equal to 7. So here in the place of x, 5 plus y is equal to 7. Then y is equal to 7. This 5 will be shifted this side to the RHS and it becomes minus 5. So y is equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So we got both x and y. This is how you have to solve in method of elimination by substitution. Now the next method, that is method of elimination by equating coefficients. How to do that? So for that we can solve easily. Here I have taken two equations. So this is what we have to do here is either x variable, either from the x variable we have to make these x coefficients as say equal or y coefficients we have to make it as equal. So here what we can do is we can multiply this first equation by the 5, by the number 5 and the second equation by the number 7. So now what happens? 5 sevens are 35x plus 5 6 are 30 and 5 into 71 is equal to 355. Similarly here 7 5s are 35, 7 8s are 56 and 7 23s are minus 161. So now we can see here the x be able to cancel any one of the variables. So here we can do this by changing the sign. Since both are having positive sign, we can take the second equation's sign we can change. If this is plus means we have to take minus here. This is minus means we have to take plus. This is minus, so we have to take plus. So plus 35 and minus 35 get cancelled. So what we are left here, plus 30y plus 56y is nothing but plus 86y is equal to plus 355 plus 161 is 516. So y is equal to 516 divided by 86. We will get y value, y is equal to 6. Now this y value we have to substitute in any one of this equation, and we will get 7x plus 6y is equal to 71. In this equation I am substituting the y value. So 7x plus 6 into 6 is equal to 71. 7x plus 6, 6 are 36 is equal to 71. 7x is equal to 71 minus 36. When we are going to shift here to the RHS, this 36. 7x is equal to 71 minus 36 is 35. So x is equal to 35 divided by 7. We will get x is equal to 5. So this is how we can find out by the second method. The next method is method of cross multiplication. So how to find in this method? See, the general form we will take now. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And this is the a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the second. So how to take this? X divided by b1 and c2. b1, c2, c1 and b2. We have to cross multiply this. So we have to take like this: b1, c1, b2, c2, and is equal to y by c1, a1, c2, a2 is equal to 1 by a1, b1, a2, b2. Take the values here. X by, how to multiply this, cross multiply, b1 into c2. First we have to take this b1 into c2 minus, in between we have to take minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So now the first equation I have taken here, this one, and the second equation. You can just see both the equations here. So both the equations along with their general form. So we can write down it. a1 is equal to 4 and b1 is minus 7 and c1 is 28. Similarly, a2 is 7, b2 is minus 5 and c2 is minus 9. Now we have to just substitute in this place. Already you know how we have taken here b1, c1, b2, c2. Similarly, b1, c1, b2, c2 write down here is equal to y divided by, next is c1, a1, c2, a2. This values you have to write down. Similarly, in this values a1, b1, a2, b2, these two values we have to write down here. Now the cross multiplication, 7 9s are minus into minus is plus 63 minus of, so minus 28 into 5 is 140 is equal to y by 28 into 7 is 196 minus of minus 4 9s are 36 is equal to 1 divided by 5 4s are minus 20 and then 7 7s are minus 49. So this can be written as x by 63 minus into minus plus 140 is equal to y divided by 196 minus into minus plus 36 is equal to 1 divided by minus 20 minus into minus plus 49. So the next part after this, the next part is we will get x by 63 plus 140 is 203 is equal to y by 196 plus 36 is 232 is equal to minus 20 plus 49 is 1 by 29. So now what we have to do, the x value will be this 203 divided by this 29 and y value will be 232 divided by 29. So this we can divide. If you can divide, you have to divide this. So x is equal to 7 we will get, and this one also we will get y is equal to 8. I hope all of you understood. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.